This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate the Steam overlay. First, open your Steam client and navigate to the Steam menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Settings or Preferences depending on your operating system. In the new window, click on the In-Game tab. Ensure the box labeled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is checked. This is the primary step to get the overlay working across all your games. Even with the global setting enabled, some games might require an individual check. To do this, go to your Steam library and right-click on the specific game you want to configure. Select Properties from the context menu. In the General tab, you'll find a checkbox labeled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Make sure this box is ticked. This ensures the overlay functions correctly for that particular title. If your Steam overlay isn't appearing, there are a few common troubleshooting steps. First, check for any conflicting software, such as other overlay applications or antivirus programs, which might interfere. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause issues. A simple restart of both Steam and your entire computer can often resolve minor glitches and get the overlay functioning smoothly again. The Steam overlay is incredibly useful, providing quick access to your friends list for chatting, web browsing for guides, and even taking screenshots without leaving your game. It truly enhances your gaming experience by keeping essential tools at your fingertips. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Enjoy your enhanced gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.